In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get and use coupons on Dhgate. First things first, coupons on this platform are tied to your account, so start by heading to the website or opening the app and signing in. If you're new, create an account so the system can save your coupons. A quick tip, the mobile app often features exclusive coupon offers and pop-ups you won't see on desktop, so it's worth installing. Next, let's collect coupons. The easiest place is the Coupon Center. From your account area, open coupons to browse what's available, then tap Collect or Claim to add them. These are platform-wide coupons and are great for general savings. You can also grab seller-specific coupons right from product pages. Open a listing you like, look for the seller coupon box, and select Get Coupon. Some stores may ask you to follow them before claiming. It only takes a second and can unlock better discounts. Don't ignore app-only and event promotions. Watch for in-app pop-ups, flash sales, and big shopping events like 11 or Black Friday. New user bonuses often appear here too, so catch them early before they expire. Another powerful option is converting coins into coupons. You earn coins through simple actions like daily check-ins and browsing. Inside the app, open the coin section and exchange them for coupons when you've got enough. It's an easy way to stack extra savings. Before you use any coupon, check the conditions, confirm the minimum spend, the expiry date, and whether it applies to specific stores or products. If any requirement isn't met, the coupon won't apply at checkout, even if it shows in your account. Now add items to your cart. Make sure the products are eligible for the coupon you plan to use. If you're relying on a seller coupon, your items usually need to come from that same store, and your cart total has to meet the minimum amount. For platform coupons, eligibility is broader, but the spend threshold still matters. At checkout, look for the coupon or discount section, choose your Dhgate coupon, add a seller coupon if one is available, and hit apply. You should see the discount reflect immediately on your order summary. If it doesn't, revisit the conditions or adjust your cart. For maximum savings, stack what you can: a Dhgate coupon, a seller coupon, any coins discount, and the sale price. Stacking rules can vary by offer, but when it works, it delivers the biggest cut to your total. And that's it. Log in, collect, check the rules, add eligible items, apply at checkout, and stack smart for the best deal. Happy saving!